What if you could create a digital version of yourself that speaks
I'm not a real human, but I can present your content, and this is just the beginning. You can create your own AI avatar and start making videos
without a camera, microphone, or studio? That's exactly what Zoice lets you do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create realistic AI avatars, how to clone yourself step by step, how to turn a prompt into an action video with your avatar, and the exact method how to use avatar generations that genuinely look real. So once you've signed up, you'll land on the dashboard. We'll be focusing on the two main features for image to avatar video generation: avatars, characters, and voice profiles. So to generate the avatar, first we need to upload our image, which we want to convert into a video avatar. So simply go to the avatar characters, then create new. Now click to upload or drag and drop your image to generate avatar. Name your avatar and simply click generate avatar. Now our image is ready for avatar generation. But to make it look real, we also need to add our voice. So you might be wondering where to add or record your voice. Don't worry, I will tell you in this video in a while. If you already have your own voice in MP3 or WAV format, so simply go to the voice profiles, then create new. Now click to upload or drag and drop your audio file. Name your voicer and simply click create voice. That's it. Now we are ready for our image to avatar video generation. So for that, we need to add the script that we want our character to say. So to add the script, we'll go to the new avatar video tool. Now we are at the main interface where we can add the script and get our final image to avatar video output. First of all, you check whether you have selected your avatar correctly. Then type or enter the script. Now you will see multiple tags on the right side of the script box: emotion tags, dialogue delivery tags, human reaction tags, and accent tags. So these tags will help for multiple variations in the script. For example, if you paste your script here, then first you will add accent tags. For now, we'll use American accent tags. And yes, another interesting thing in this is that you can also create tags according to your choice. For example, Indian accent, Chinese accent, etc. And you can put reaction tags behind the sentence according to the dialogue delivery. Once you're done, click add. Then add your voice, which you had uploaded earlier. See, you can also upload audio file here. If you don't have any audio file, you can direct record your own voice during generation of your custom avatar video. And if you have own 11 Labs API key, then you can manage your key here. For now, let's close it. Now add an action prompt. You have been given multiple action prompt suggestions. You can choose according to your profession or topic. Then simply click to add. And finally, select the aspect ratio, then resolution. Now you will see the option of enable audio preview. If you want to hear the audio before avatar video generation, then you can leave it enabled. Or if you want to generate avatar video directly, then you have to disable this option and simply click on generate. That's it. And within a couple of minutes, Zoice creates a fully AI avatar videos using just image. Here's how it looks.
Hi, I'm an AI avatar created from just a single image. I can speak any script you write for me, and the best part is you don't need a camera, microphone, or studio to create videos like this. Everything you're seeing right now is generated using Zoice. This might look like a real person talking, but it's actually an AI avatar. You can create videos like this in just a few minutes by uploading your image, adding your voice, and writing a simple script.
The video looks genuinely impressive. Then you can download it here. And that's how you can turn a simple image into a powerful AI avatar video in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video. And if you have any questions or want me to cover more features of Zoice, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next video.